Hello my friends, this is JonesyBoy here, and I'm bringing you C# programming part 2, declaring integer variables. Let's go. Okay, so here we have a new program set up. We'll call it my second program. Let's declare our integer, and let's call that integer, we shall call it x. And my cat is sleeping on my minus key. We shall call it x. There we go. Now int, we're going to declare another integer. We're going to call it int y semicolon. Okay, so we have integer x and integer y. So the x and y are your variables, and we're going to declare what those variables are by doing x equals, so x is your variable, and you're going to declare it as 7 colon, and we're going to declare y equals x plus 3. Now we all know what x plus 3, if x equals 7, will be. Let's just have our computer tell us by typing in console.write line y, so open parenthesis y, close parenthesis, semicolon, console dot read line, open close parenthesis, semicolon. I spelled console wrong. There we go. Alright, so remember, console.readline, what that does is that makes it so that when you have something printed out on the console, it stops for you to be able to read it until you hit enter. So let's start that and see what it comes up with. 10. So that just basically gave us the answer. So we can also do a few other interesting things here. Let's declare another variable, and let's call it z. Int z colon. Okay, so we have an integer z, and we'll do z equals x plus y. Okay, and then we're going to declare y here as 3 semicolon. Now we're going to do a few extra write lines to describe what x and y are. And here we go. Console.write line. Now I'm going to do a mixture of text and variable here. So x is equal to, and then we're going to do plus plus. I accidentally fat fingered a key there. X is equal to plus, so you have to do open quote, x is equal to close quote, then you have to do plus x, okay, and then semicolon. Now let's verify that that writes something. So x is equal to 7. We need a space in there, so there we go. And then we're going to do another console.write line y is equal to space. Now we have to add the plus in there to basically tell it to add this extra text. Now we're going to do y, so it prints the value of y, and then we're going to do console.writeLine, and we're going to do x plus y is equal to, or let's do then, because that makes sense. So let's put an if in here. If x is equal to, if y is equal to, then x plus y is equal to space, close quotes, plus, oops, I hit insert there. I'm fat fingering all over this keyboard right now. I have no idea why. Probably because I have this mic here and I have to work around it. It's not as comfortable as I would like it to be, but that's okay. So plus z. Okay, and what that's going to do is give us the value of x plus y. As we see here, z equals x plus y. Now let's start that. If x is equal to 7, I should put and if y is equal to 3, then x plus y is equal to 10. So let's change that so it's more grammatically correct. If x is equal to 7 and if y is equal to 3, then x plus y is equal to 10. Now we can also write that all on one line without doing the extra write lines. Just to kind of show you how the console write line works. I'm going to just copy this text here all into one space. Okay. Then I'm going to get rid of the other console write lines. Now we're going to do, okay, we have to put a plus there and a plus here, and that should do it. So if x is equal to 7, now we notice that we need the spaces between. So let's add spaces at the beginning of the quotes. So if x is equal to 7 and if y is equal to 3, then x plus y is equal to 10. Now do we want that to, now we can also add those to new line. So now if you want to start off with new line, and have it start new lines every time the next text comes up, you have to do \n, and / negates the next character of the text, and what that does for certain items like lowercase n, that will create a new line. So we do \n, and if y is equal to space, close quote here, then we have \n, then x plus y is equal to space, close parentheses. Now let's see how that looks. Voila, if x is equal to 7 and if y is equal to 3, then x plus y is equal to 10. Perfect. And that's how you do integers, and a little bit more to know about how console write line works and text works in Visual Studio and programming in general. Actually, a lot of this applies to Java as well. So, and I believe C++, but I'm not used to programming in C++, so I only have done Java and C#. Anyway, I hope you all enjoy this video. Please ask me any questions down below if you have any. Also, don't forget to like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you disliked it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.